Hello guys, welcome to another Romanian learning blog. So I hope you guys are learning with me the Romanian class. So let's start the rest of the class and then we slowly run all the Romanian words, names, fruits names, drinks names, how we go to coffee shop, how we talk. Like I want a coffee, kafa is a coffee, kafa kulapte, coffee with milk. So like this, we can say apa is the water, apa plata still water. Apa plata still water. Apa plata plata still water. Apa plata still water. Apa carbogaza. Apa carbogaza. Apa carbogaza. Apa carbogaza. Sparkling water. Apa rage. Apa rage. Cold water. Apa rage. Cold water. Apa clada. Apa clada. Warm water. Clada. Warm water. Apa perbinte. Apa perbinte. Hot water. Apa perbinte. Hot water. Apa Kugyata. Apa kugyata? Ice water. Apa kugyata? Suc di Portocale. Orange juice. Suc di Portocale. Orange juice. Suc di mere. Suc di mere. Suc di mere. Apple juice. Suc di mere. Apple juice. Suc di strawberry. Strawberry, grape juice, sugdi farcisi, peach juice, sugdi ananas, pineapple juice, sugdi ananas, pineapple juice, sugdi ananas, pineapple juice, sugdi rosi, tomato juice, sugdi rosi, tomato juice, lemonada, lemonade. Baturi carbonated, cold drinks. Baturi fermenti, hot drinks. Kafa ko latte, coffee with milk. Kafa ko latte, coffee with milk. Kafa ko latte, coffee with milk. Kafa para latte, coffee without milk. Kafa para latte, coffee without milk. Latte, milk. Kafa with pariska. Kafa ko pariska. Kafa ko pariska. Coffee with cream. Kafa para pariska. Coffee without cream. Kafa ko jahar. Coffee with sugar. Kafa ko jahar. Coffee with sugar. Kafa ko jahar. Coffee with sugar. Kafa para jahar. Coffee without sugar. Chai ko lemon. Chai with lemon. Chai ko lemue. Chai with lemon. Chai ko lemue. Tea with lemon. Chai ko mere. Tea with honey. Chai ko mere. Tea with honey. Chai verde. Green tea. Chai verde. Green tea. Chai negro. Black tea. Chai negro. Black tea. Chai di plante. Herbal tea. Chai di plante. Herbal tea. Chai perbinte. Chai perbinte. Hot tea. Chai rich. Cold tea. Chai rich. Cold tea. So now we learn about the meat name. Like for example, carne. Carne is name is the meat. Carne. If you see anytime carne anywhere, it means meat. Carne de male. Carne de male is lamb. Lamb meat. Carne de beta, beef meat. গরুর মাংস carne de beta, beef meat. Carne de beta, beef meat. Carne de male, lamb meat. Carne de ipure, rabbit meat. Carne de pui, chicken. Carne de pui, chicken meat. Carne de pui, chicken meat. Carne de rata. Carne de rata, duck meat. Carne de rata, duck meat. Carne de gasca. goose meat. Karne di gas ka goose meat. Karne di kurkan. Kurkan, turkey meat. Salami is the salami. Sunka is a ham meat. Sunka. Carne si majolori. Meat and cold cut. Kapusti. Carnbusti sausage. Carno core, chorizo, peste, fish. Peste, fish. Lapte, milk. Chipper, laban. Samantana, sour cream. Pariska, cream. Unt, butter. Cascabal, yellow cheese. Branja, paneer. White cheese. Branjaba, white cheese. Ayurt, yogurt. Ingitata, ice cream. Paine bread. Placenta pie. Chipla, roll of bread. Prajitura cake. Biscuit cookies. Paina flour. Pasta. Sare, salt. Jahar, sugar. Pepper. Ule, oil. Orange rice. Ua, eggs. Spalam rosi. Wash tomato. Kuratim kartofi. Peeled potato. Kuratim kartofi. Peeled potato. Tiam chapa. Tiam chapa. Slice onion. Tukam partunjelu. Chop parsley. Amestekam, mixing. Prajim somulum, fry salmon. Parbim apa, boiled water. Parbim apa, boiled water. Pune la kaptur, pajituril. Bake the cake. Punem in fridge, legumel. Put the vegetable in the fridge. Adugam sara, add salt. Turnam apa in pahar. Pour water in the glass. Punem carne in farfure. Put the meat in the plates.